Let's take a look at Hong Kong Disney's newest resort, the Disney Explorers Lodge. Added in 2017, this adventurous resort will bring out the explorer inside of everyone, with its diverse theming of different cultures and nature throughout the resort. It has an impressive grand lobby area, which reminds us of Animal Kingdom Lodge at Walt Disney World. Filled with explorer memorabilia and relics from all over the world, you will enjoy soaking into the atmosphere of this amazing resort. It has a wide variety of activities and recreational facilities. Enjoy a dip in the wonderfully themed raindrop pool while looking out on the South China Sea, or head inside to Nemo's Recreation Reef, which is filled with fun games and activities. There are also 4 uniquely themed gardens surrounding the 4 wings of the hotel. They are Kevin Garden, the South American garden, Little Squirt Garden, the Oceania garden, the Hathi Junior Garden, the Asian garden, and the Rafiki Garden, the African Savannah garden. Explorers will find elements of the different animations that are associated with the names of the characters that these gardens are named after. Also, if you are staying here, you can also enjoy all of the recreational facilities at the 2 other hotels on resort. This hotel has 3 great dining options, starting with Dragon Wind. This amazing restaurant offers luxurious Cantonese cuisine for lunch and dinner, specializing in barbecue dishes, seafood, and dim sum. Enjoy the open kitchens as you view your delicious food as it is prepared. You can also dine alongside Mickey and Pals in their explorer outfits. Next is the World of Color restaurant that offers a mixture of Asian and international dishes. You can find pizza, Thai curries, pasta, steak, and Chinese rice dishes, all inside this elegant dining experience, filled with examples of fauna and flora from around the world. The last dining option is the Chart Room Cafe that serves specialty coffee, snacks, and a light menu consisting of flatbreads, sandwiches, and rice dishes in a warm and comfortable setting. If you want to buy a souvenir or gift for a loved one, then head to the trading post next to the lobby to find exclusive merchandise, clothes, toys, and much more. All rooms come with 2 queen beds, so you can sleep up to 4 adults, and includes all the standard amenities you expect to find in a deluxe Disney resort. You can choose from the first floor standard room or deluxe rooms on the upper levels that offer theming and views of one of the 4 themed gardens, or you can choose a sea view room that offers that amazing view of the South China Sea. Here, you can compare the prices of the rooms for 2 adults and 2 children for 2 nights in November 2020. All in all, this is one of my favorite hotels that Disney has ever created, with its amazing theming, great facilities, and delicious restaurants. It is perfect for families, couples, or anyone that enjoys staying on property. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, then check out one of my other resort overviews or attraction guides. Thanks for watching.